Hello there, my friends. Welcome back. And we're here with, look who's here today. What a wonderful surprise. It's Karl, the 431G convertible. And that's a little note that I leave in his box. And so we're going to be doing a little bit of work on Karl today. And he's kind of off balance, off center. Oh geez, I got some dirt there. Oh well. But what I have here are his bed cushions and the screws. So these three are going to go on here. This one has already gone on here. And I'm going to need another one to go. This one's already on there. And then I'm going to need another one to go on here. But I've got lots. I got like 50 of them like a couple of months ago. I think January. Ordered them before Christmas. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is take this all apart and then give it the cleaning process. Oil the parts that I think need oiling, and then if it's degreasable, degrease it. And then after the degreasing, or if we're omitting the degreasing, then soap and water, and then rinse in water, and then towel dry and blow dry, and then oiling and lubrication, and then wiping excess oiling and lubrication off. So that's, I know I sound like a broken record, but that's what the process is. But yeah, so that one's already good to go. But this hasn't been cleaned. Well, maybe I did clean this one. I might have cleaned this little leg or armature or whatever. But certainly this is, I mean, it's clean, but it's not clean. It's grimy. It's dusty and dirty, and you know, there's old oil varnished up a little bit. The inside where the accessories were stored is certainly dusty and messy. Not a lot of varnish, but a little bit of old oil and stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. And then after, like in the next day or two, I'm also going to get into the top. And we'll take a look in here again. And I'm missing a part from here. It's in one of the bags there, in the parts bag. Before I put the stack back on, I want to see if I can take this gear off. But, and that will lead into doing the zigzag bar there. And I do want to clean down there underneath this worm gear. But I want to get this off so I can get that worm gear bare, you know, open. And what I'll be doing in the next day or two is, where's my paper towels? I went through all the other ones I want out of the way. I'll be getting some paper towels and, you know, just getting in here and underneath there and really wiping it down and getting it cleaned up and seeing what's dirt and what's oil. That's oil, maybe dirty oil, probably, but this has been oiled and greased. So it's exciting to be back with Karl, the 431G convertible, because of technological improvements. You know, the new camera and the ability of the software to process the videos. I'm able to increase production and get ahead of, you know, maybe bank up a few videos so that I'm not on this, you know, this, you know, the mouse wheel or the rat wheel of chasing video day by day. So that's what's going on there. The other thing that's going to be cycling in the next week and a half is also the Singer 306K. We're going to get some work done on Dennis, the train wreck from near Rice Lake, and then we'll get back to, you know, pretty much on a regular basis. I've got some for the 201K stored up, maybe two more. So we'll be doing more with Kendra, the 201K as well. So, without further ado, thank you to subscribers, viewers, and liking the videos and pressing the notification bell. And I appreciate your support and helping me, myself and the machines. You help me help the machines. How much time we got left here? 7 minutes and 45 seconds. So all I'm really going to do now, here today, is take this apart as much as I can. And I think that I'm okay to loosen that. So that one's loose. Where else do I need a big screwdriver? There's a little screwdriver there, a smaller screwdriver. Will that fit? Yes, it will. That's already loose anyway. Oh dear. I hope I didn't scare the lady neighbor downstairs too badly. So let me get you lined up here. Geez, I'm sorry, you guys. And we'll get this little screw off first. Well, that really looks like, well, it's maybe not as long as one of those, but it looks similar. Okay, we'll put that. I need a safe place to put that. So I'm just going to get this big honking magnetic tray for now. And so that's that one. Now we'll undo this one some more. And it looks like there's a washer or a spring or something there. Oh, both. Both. You know what? I just want to put that down like that. And I've got a little camera over here, my friends. And so I'll turn the camera on. I want to take a photo. And beautiful, it's on macro mode. And I'll take that off. And I want everything to be in the correct order. There, and it shows the screw hole that it came out of. Oh, that's nice and close. I'll have to play with that some more. I'm going to turn it off now. Cool. But anyway, so that's come off. We'll throw that in the mix there. And where did that one come from? Oh yeah, that's one of the three. Yeah, it slipped off when I picked it up. So I'm going to put that in there like that on its end, because I don't want those washers to come off. So this has to be cleaned and you know, oiled, and it's not going to be that. Also back here, that's the bottom cover, because there's only like half a bottom, because the other half is this. And so that'll go back there, and then this is all going to have to be washed and cleaned. And we can see some screws here. What we'll do now is we'll take this thing out. We'll see if we can take it out. So I've got a little screwdriver. Will that fit? It will, but it's not moving. So I'm going to go to the hollow ground if I can get a small enough bit. Oh, there's a small enough bit. So there's that nice hollow ground tip. See that, you guys? How long we got left? We got about 2.5 minutes left now. Geez, I burn up time pretty quick, don't I? Where was I trying to undo? I was trying to undo that. Right here. It's undoing. It's sticky. There, now it's loosening. So I'm going to get a photo of that as well. Beautiful. That can go in there. And that was for... That was for that to come out. And let me get a paper towel and see what kind of grunge we got here. Well, it's moist, you know, so whether it probably is some oil from me when I first got this machine back in August, I want to say. End of August, beginning of September. Probably beginning of September. So anyway, that's going to need some KRUD cutter, oil, soap and water, rinse, blow dry, the whole 9 yards. You know, we do it on a regular basis, so it's not a. Now we got this one. It's pretty similar to what we just removed, and I've got the right bit. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah. That was a little easier to remove. So I know I'm going to drive you guys nuts with taking photos today. Well, I'm going to have to stop and sign off right there. I'll just get this screw out. Oops, because this is going to shut down in just over a minute. There, so we got that one out. Did we already have the other one out? Let's see if this... Let's see if this lid will come off yet. No. I've got to undo that and that. Or maybe, there, just pulled it back, off it came. So that's nice, but I'm still going to remove, well, maybe I won't remove those, but we'll see. Anyway, time to say amigo. Time to say ciao, amigos. Please like, subscribe, and notify. Talk to you later. Ciao.